What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions. Beats and Feasts, you know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to do just a good old pork loin and vegetables in a power pressure cooker. And forgive me guys, hold on. This cook is inspired by my new favorite knife, the Grandknife. And check out the video before this. I did a review on this knife. It's a very inexpensive knife and it does a hell of a job. All you gotta do is click the link in my description and it'll take you right to it. You can purchase one from Amazon. But hey guys, it's gonna be a simple video. And sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. If you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. And let's get started with some pork loin and vegetables. So the supporting cast is pretty simple. So of course you gotta have my pork loin. This is about a 3.5 pound pork loin that I got at the store. We're gonna season that up nice. It's gonna be really nice in the pressure cooker. Alright, so I got my vegetables, got my carrots, already cut up as you saw in the video before. If you haven't seen it, I'll pin it up there. You can go check it out. Everything was cut up with the Grandknife. All you gotta do is click on the link in the description. It'll take you right there. You can purchase one. But I got my carrots, a little bit of celery and onion there, and my potatoes, all cut up with the Grandknife for seasoning. A little onion powder, Loin seasoning salt, some rosemary, salt and pepper to taste, and some minced garlic. Very simple, very easy in the power pressure cooker. And of course I'm going to add about 2 cups of chicken broth. But hey guys, all we're going to do is start putting this together. Guys, we're going to season this up first before we go over to the pressure cooker. But first thing we're going to do is a nice healthy dose of salt. And you know me, I'm using pink Himalayan sea salt. I'm going to flip this over and do the same thing to the other side, so bear with me. Some black pepper. I'm going to hit it with some Loin seasoning salt. Some onion powder. And we're going to save the rosemary until we get to the pressure cooker. We're going to flip this over, pat it in there. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. Typically on a pork loin, they're going to have this fat cap here. And when I put it in the pressure cooker, that side is going to be up, so it renders down. We're going to start with a pink Himalayan on this side. Don't be afraid to put a lot of salt on this. Got to get through that fat. Black pepper. Some Loin seasoning salt. Real simple seasoning, guys. Real simple. And a garlic powder. Like I said, I'm going to save my rosemary until I get over to the pressure cooker. Pat that in real good. Alright, now we're going over to the pressure cooker. So we're over here at the pressure cooker. Alright, so we're just going to simply, I got my pressure cooker on sear mode. With a little bit of vegetable oil in there. We're just going to put our pork loin in here. And you hear that sound? I want to sear the sides. I want to get a nice color on them. So we're going to let that sear for a minute. On that side, flip it. We're going to try to get a nice sear on all sides. So we're going to let that go for a few minutes and we'll flip it. Alright, so you see that color I got on that side? I'm going to try to get the same thing on the other side. And we'll flip it over here in just a minute. Turned it over 3 or 4 times, getting some nice color there. So that's going to be good enough. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and add my celery and my onions to it. Just like that. And I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of minced garlic. And I love my garlic, so I'm adding 4. We're going to go in with some rosemary now. I love me some rosemary. We're going to hold off on the carrots and the potatoes for right now. That's going to be the last 10 minutes of our cook. And we're going to add 2 cups of chicken broth. There we go. So we're going to mix those in there just a little bit. And all we're going to do now is place the lid on. And we're going to get this thing going. I'm going to line it up so it's locked down. Alright, so for this, I like to start with a cook time of 25 minutes. I might put it on for a little bit longer, but we're going to start with 25 minutes. So I'm going to hit my meat chicken button, and I'm going to increment to high, bring it down to 25 minutes. Now we're going to do a slow release on this. So when it's done cooking, and you hear the timer go off, we're just going to let it stand. I'll see you guys in about a half second by YouTube time, but it's going to take 25-30 minutes for this. It's been on for 25 minutes. I'm going to do an internal temp here. Want it to be about 145. Let's see what we're looking at. And we're right there. So I'm going to take the pork loin out. And we're going to let it rest. In the meantime, we're going to add our potatoes and carrots right to that mixture. Going to toss in a little salt and pepper. And I'm going to add just 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water. We're going to put the lid back on. We're going to lock it down. And we're going to set this to 15 minutes, but I'll be back in about 8 minutes. So I was going to take to cook those vegetables. Right, so you can see my pork loin is rested there. So we're going to cut this up. It's nice and cool, and I'm going to be using my Grandknife. As you can tell, this video was sponsored by, and then go check out the other video if you want one of these. I actually like this, so you know I don't do a review on anything, or I'm not going to give it a good review if it's not good. You're going to know it. So I like this knife. So we're gonna chop this up, put it on a plate for you with the vegetables, and juices are just pouring out of this thing, so let's go. Nice. 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 The Grandknife does the job. Need to go get one of these guys. Look at that. Ooh, look at that pork loin. Hey, let me plate this up for you. Give me a quick, easy pork loin in the power pressure cooker. Ooh, boy, I can't wait to get my mouth on this one, you know. Hey, guys, and that Grandknife, it does easy work of the vegetables and the meat, the protein. So go pick one up. It's the first link in my description. It'll take you right over there. Pick you up a knife. And it's a cheap knife, but it's got quality to it. That's what I like about it. But you guys know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Easy pork loin in the power pressure cooker. And guys, I gotta thank the Grandknife people for sending me that knife, because I actually really like it. And it's a cheap knife. It's only like $40 on Amazon. But it's got some weight to it. It's got a nice build quality. So go pick one up. Just click on the first link in my description. But hey guys, let me get a bite. Ooh. Oh my God. Super tender. When I tell you no knife is needed, that's exactly what I mean. Look at that. Get some carrot. Oh my God. If you like this video, just go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, and hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.